What's up, everybody? Gonna open up a couple of packs of Topps Traded from 1990. These have rookie cards, players who've been obviously traded recently, things like that. And there's only 7 in each one, so let's just go ahead and see if we got anything good in here. These wax paper packs are so easy to open. There's the 1990 Topps cards, if you forgot what they look like. Tim Layana? What? Keith Hernandez? Red Show and Dice. Okay. Oops. Who'd we drop? Orlando Mercado, Terry Shumford, Fred Manrique, Wally Backman. All right, no real hot rookie cards there at all. Nothing even of interest for me, but that's just because I don't know any of these people really. So this Terry Shumford fella is a rookie. All right. There we go. All right, next one. These are okay, but I mean, there's so few cards. So that's the only drawback. All right, here we go. Glenn Braggs. Joe Klink. Scott Ruskin. Scott Erickson. I remember him. And that's his rookie card. Okay. Mark Eichhorn. A side armor named Terry Leach. Oh, there's a name I know. Okay. Well, this is cool. So this is his successful fielder, played for the Blue Jays for a few years, and then he went and played in Japan for a year, and he came back with the Tigers, and I mean, dominated he was hitting so many home runs. He had 51 one year, I believe, 47 the next, but this is right before he did that. So there you have it. It's probably the coolest card of the 2 packs. 1990 Topps. Y'all give me some feedback if you like seeing baseball card packs opened up like I do. I'm going to keep doing this. And if you have any suggestions or anything like that, feel free to get in touch with me. And I'm going to try to keep them coming. So until then, I hope everybody has a great day.